Hello. Well, I'm Benjamin Ecclestone. I'm a sound artist and theatre maker, hence all the bits and bobs. I'm going to be doing a poem by Carol and Duffy called Quickdraw.
I wear the two, the mobile and the landline phones, like guns. Slung from the pockets on my hips. I'm all alone. You ring, Quickdraw, your voice a pallet in my ear, and you hear me groan. You've wounded me. Next time you speak, after the tone, I twirl the phone, then squeeze the trigger of my tongue, wide of the mark. You choose your spot, then blast me through the heart. And this is love. High noon, calamity. Hard liquor, the old last chance saloon. I show the mobile to the sheriff. In my boot, another one's concealed. You text them both at once. I reel. Down on my knees. I fumble for the phone. Read the silver bullets of your kiss. Take this, and 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 this, I wear the two, the mobile and the landline phones, like guns.
And there you go. Thank you Box Lover for letting me do this. Make sure you check out all the rest of the videos on the channel. Everyone else is amazing. And yeah, peace. See ya.